Welcome to the Trickz. So new video, we're going to talk about new preset. So previous time we discussed how to select the right preset for the landscape and portrait. So from today onwards, we're going to talk about how to create a own preset according to your feelings, according to your emotions. So for our first preset, we're going to talk about Moody Mountains. When you see this car picture, you can see how dark, cold, moody impact has given to the original image. I selected these nature images to create this new preset with you all. When I selecting these images, I consider the colors inside these originals. So you can see majority of these photos consist with yellow, green, aqua, blue colors inside the image, and also a little bit white and the black. Apart from these colors, I don't do any particular adjustments. I only adjust with these colors. So when you're selecting the photo to create this preset, you need to consider to select these kind of photos. So while you're waiting, let's go with our first preset. So we are in our example. So let's start with light settings. So you need to reduce the exposure level. So I am reducing exposure level to minus 1.29. Contrast also I need to reduce it. I reduce to minus 93. And I also need to lower my highlights. And it's reducing to minus 45. But I increase my shadows to 76. And white also reducing to minus 66, and also I increase my blacks to minus 49. So we done with the light settings. Now I'm going to my turn curve. I reducing blacks level and I reducing white level as well, and shadows reducing and increase mid-tone to here, and also the highlighter as well. So we done with the tone curve. Now we go to our color panel. So I need to do some cold tone, so I reduce the temperature up to minus 13, and I don't need to do any changes in the green violet axis. So I go to the vibrance and I increase the vibrance up to 80, and I need to decrease the saturation level up to minus 49. So now I go to the mixed panel. So in red color, the jacket is red, so we have to do this variation in the red color. Hue goes to minus 71. Hue goes to the violet tone, and saturation I little bit increasing up to 43, and also the luminous getting high because that's the object I need to highlight. So I highlight with his jacket. So luminous is going to 72. So here there is no any orange color areas in the picture apparently, so I'm not going to do any changes in orange. So I go to the yellow color and I increase the hue to the green area for the 85 towards the green color with the hue, and saturation low down to minus 65. and luminance increasing to 61. And also the changes for the green is same as yellow, more green aquish colors to 81. So saturation go down to -60 and luminance goes up to 47. Aqua color, hue goes towards the green color -65. Saturation also low down to -57 and luminance goes to 80. So you can see the similarity in the yellow, green and aqua. Adjustments are very same here. So I'm going to the blue color, and blue will give more different, more cold tone. So I go to hue with -64 towards aqua, and also I reduce the saturation level up to -58 and luminance goes to +57. So you can see majority of this image is consistent with the blue color. So this adjustment is very important. So there is no any violet or magenta, so I'm not going to touch any of those adjustments. So now I'm going to the effects tool. So I decreasing the texture level and giving some smooth into this picture, so decreasing to -47, but I need to give some clarity, so increasing clarity up to 50. I need some sharp edges, I need some moody rough looking, and DH also increasing up to -90. This is based on your choice. You can use high or low DH. I think for this picture is perfect. It go with some high DH. So now I'm going to the split tone. So this is another important part. So here I use blue color adds highlights and the yellow color adds its shadows. Then I also limited my saturation level to 15, and I'm going with the shadows. Also here I would like to stay with the 15 with yellow area in the hue. In the balance adjustment, I'm going with positive side, and I increase in the highlights or the shadows. 60 going to be better. In vignette it's go to -19, and I don't touch any other adjustments under the vignette. So here to here we give this image with dark, cold mountain vibes. So let's check with other examples as well. So once after you done with the adjustments in your presets, you need to save it. So how we gonna save it? So we need to go to preset tool. If you are in your user presets, you're going to tap here, go to the create preset and give the name. So check all the changes are saved in here. Okay, so you added your presets, you can see. So here my preset is here. So let's apply this preset for other examples as well. Remember, we need to have majority of either green or a blue. So this image has majority of the green and yellow. So let's see how it goes with our preset. Goes to the user presets and select from here our Moody Mountains. So you can see how much impact this preset is giving to this image. It's giving cold, dark, moody feeling to this image, and change the entire original image to another feeling, another colors. And you can do some adjustments after that you apply your presets. this is how I ended with my adjustments. So let's see this Moody Mountain effect with other example. So you have seen how I create this preset. So if you think you can use this preset for every originals with those colors, you are wrong. You have to do some kind of adjustment after you use your preset. It can be light or effect adjustments, or either can be color or mix adjustments. So remember that when you use this preset. So if you think this video is very much helpful, like it and share it. If you have any questions, let's discuss in the comment section down below. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram. So that's for today. We will talk about more presets in near future. Catch you in the next video.